Hi, I'm Vittoria Logli with App Properties Chris's International. Let's take a tour of 1924 Ivy Lane in Glenview. Soaring cathedral ceilings and loads of windows and beautiful sunlight come streaming through your formal living room. The kitchen, which has been freshly updated, boasts plenty of counter space, loads of cabinets, an inviting eating area which opens right into the family room. There are sliders leading to the backyard, cozy fireplace perfect for snuggling on a cold winter night. The flow of this space is just perfect. Now let's head to the second floor. A huge primary bedroom featuring vaulted ceilings, a generously sized walk-in closet, and a luxurious ensuite bathroom, complete with double bowl vanities, a convenient walk-in shower, and a tub. This bathroom offers all the comforts you need. There are also 2 additional spacious bedrooms on this floor with large closets, along with a hall bathroom which completes the second level. Downstairs, the unfinished basement provides ample storage, or bring your decorating ideas to create even more living space to enjoy. With its modern updates and versatile layout, this townhome is ready to welcome you home. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fabulous home tours.